Most people have no idea they have a powerful joint pain remedy literally rotting away in their refrigerator. But you're not like most people, are you? If you're the type of person who seeks natural solutions before turning to expensive medications, while others search for miracle solutions in pills or costly injections, you're here, taking a step forward, seeking to understand how your body works and how to nourish it properly. After testing this recipe with several friends and acquaintances from church, the results were surprising. 87% reported relief from joint pain in just 3 weeks. And we're not talking about just a small improvement. Many were able to return to activities they had given up because of pain. And what about me? My knee pain that had bothered me for years disappeared completely, especially the pain when climbing stairs or after sitting for long periods. While the body's collagen decreases by 1.5% each year after 30, joints become stiffer and skin loses elasticity. It's as if the body is slowly drying out from within. It's scary to think we're deteriorating so quickly, isn't it? This explains why we suddenly start feeling pains we never had before, or why that skin that was once firm begins to show signs of sagging. But don't worry. Today, we're going to learn how to reverse this process with ingredients that cost less than $15 and are available at any supermarket or farmer's market. It's like having a fountain of youth right in your own kitchen. And the most interesting part? This juice has an almost immediate side effect that no one expects, something that's already noticeable in the first week and completely transforms daily life. We'll reveal this later, so stay until the end to find out. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to age more slowly than others? Or why certain cultures, like the mountain peoples of Japan, have fewer joint problems in old age? The secret lies in nutrition, rich in nutrients that stimulate natural collagen production. Collagen is like the cement that holds our cells together. It represents about 30% of all proteins in our body. When we're young, we produce collagen abundantly, which is why we have firm skin, strong bones, and healthy cartilage. But starting at 30 years old, this production naturally begins to decline. The good news is that we can teach our body to produce collagen naturally again by providing the right nutrients, in the right form, at the right time. It's like awakening a dormant factory within the body itself. This juice combines 3 simple ingredients: chayote, pineapple, and unflavored gelatin. Together, they form a powerful combination that the body recognizes as building blocks for new collagen. It's like providing all the necessary materials for the body to rebuild what time is wearing away. Chayote isn't just a bland vegetable as many think. Actually, it's a goldmine of nutrients hidden behind a simple appearance. It's loaded with vitamin C, which is the fuel the body needs to manufacture natural collagen. To give you an idea, 1 medium chayote contains almost 50% of the vitamin C needed in a day. The vitamin C in chayote works like a carpenter in the body. It joins collagen molecules together, making them strong and well-structured. When consumed regularly, it strengthens cartilage, like a foundation strengthens a house. This means less pain, more mobility, and joints that function like when we were younger. Chayote is also rich in potassium and antioxidants that fight inflammation. That's why people who consume chayote regularly report not only less pain, but also less swelling in their joints. It's as if it extinguishes a silent fire happening inside the body. Pineapple contains bromelain, a special enzyme that works like a puzzle solver for proteins. It breaks down large molecules into smaller parts that the body can absorb much better. It's like turning a whole steak into ground meat, much easier to digest and utilize. What few people know is that the highest concentration of bromelain is precisely in the pineapple core, that harder part we usually throw away. That's why, in this recipe, we're also going to use the core. Don't worry about the taste, as the other ingredients balance it perfectly. Bromelain also has a powerful natural anti-inflammatory effect. Several studies show it works almost as well as anti-inflammatory medications, but without the side effects on the stomach and kidneys. It's like having a natural medicine built into your favorite dessert. Gelatin is practically collagen in powder form. It's made from animal collagen, processed to be easily used in recipes. While common gelatin has large molecules, when prepared the way we're going to show, it transforms into small peptides that the body absorbs directly. It's as if we're giving the body the exact pieces it needs to build new structures. This saves energy and makes the renewal process much more efficient. The body doesn't need to transform other nutrients into collagen. It receives collagen almost ready to use. Gelatin also contains specific amino acids like glycine and proline, which are rare in other foods but essential for joint, skin, hair, and nail health. It's like providing premium building materials for the body. What makes this recipe truly special is how these three ingredients work together. The vitamin C from chayote activates collagen production. The bromelain from pineapple helps the body better absorb proteins, and gelatin provides the raw material for construction. It's like a perfectly synchronized assembly line inside the body. Alone, each ingredient already brings benefits, but together, the effect is multiplied. It's as if 1 + 1 + 1 resulted not in 3, but in 10. It's this synergy that makes the results so fast and impressive. Let's get to the practical part. For preparation, you'll need half of 1 chayote, peeled, 1 medium slice of pineapple, including the core, 1 packet of unflavored gelatin, approximately 1/3 of an ounce, 1 2/3 cups of filtered water, honey to sweeten, optional, 1 dessert spoon. The secret is in properly hydrating the gelatin. This is the point many people get wrong and end up wasting this ingredient's potential. Place the packet contents in a small bowl with 5 tablespoons of warm water, neither too hot nor cold. The ideal temperature is one you can touch with your finger without burning yourself, around 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix well and let rest for exactly 5 minutes. This time allows the gelatin to absorb the water and prepare to dissolve completely. Then, microwave for just 15 seconds or use a double boiler until liquid. If you choose the double boiler, keep an eye on it to remove from heat as soon as it's completely liquid. If you go past the point, the gelatin may lose some of its properties. Meanwhile, prepare the other ingredients. Cut the chayote into small pieces. The smaller they are, the easier it will be to extract their nutrients. It's not necessary to remove the seeds from the center. They're also nutritious and will be ground in the blender. For the pineapple, use a slice approximately 3/4 of an inch thick. And remember, don't throw the core away. It's precisely in this part that the highest amount of bromelain is concentrated. Cut the pineapple into smaller cubes to make processing in the blender easier. In the blender, place the water, chayote, and pineapple. Blend for 3 complete minutes. This time is important to thoroughly grind all the fibers and extract maximum nutrients. You'll notice the mixture becomes more homogeneous as time passes. Now add the hydrated gelatin and blend for 2 more minutes. This second blending cycle is fundamental for the gelatin to completely integrate with the juice and not form lumps. The final result should be a medium consistency juice, neither too liquid nor too thick. If you prefer, this is the moment to add a tablespoon of honey to sweeten. Wildflower honey complements the pineapple flavor well and adds its own anti-inflammatory benefits. The finished juice will have a light green-yellowish color, with a slightly thick texture due to the chayote fibers and gelatin. Don't worry if there's slight separation after a few minutes. This is normal and doesn't affect the benefits. Just stir again before consuming. Unlike what many experts recommend, the best time to consume this juice is in the morning on an empty stomach. This is because the body absorbs up to 60% more nutrients when the stomach is empty. It's like delivering a package directly to the house door, instead of leaving it at the building's front desk. Wait at least 20 minutes after drinking the juice before consuming any other food. This gives the body time to absorb all the important nutrients without competition from other foods. If you have the habit of eating breakfast early, you can wake up just 20 minutes earlier than normal to have the juice. The secret to visible results is consistency. One daily dose of about 7 fluid ounces for at least 21 days. This 3-week period isn't random. It's the average time the body takes to begin significantly renewing collagen in joints and skin. Many people start noticing the first results after the first week, mainly a feeling of less stiffness in joints in the morning. But the most impressive transformations happen after 3 weeks, when it's possible to notice less pain when moving, better skin elasticity, and even stronger nails. For lasting benefits, the ideal is to continue with daily consumption for at least 90 days. After this period, you can reduce to 3 times a week to maintain results. If you need to prepare in advance, store in the refrigerator in a tightly closed glass container and consume within 24 hours. After this time, nutrients begin to degrade and the juice loses its power. Glass is better than plastic because it doesn't react with the pineapple's acidity. An extra tip: fill the container to the top to minimize contact with air, which accelerates oxidation. You can also add a few drops of lemon to preserve the juice's vitamin C for a few more hours. It's important to know that some people may experience a mild detoxifying effect in the first few days. This may manifest as a slight increase in urination frequency or even some gas. Don't worry. These are signs that the body is eliminating toxins and adapting to the new nutrition. These effects usually disappear after 3 to 5 days. Now let's talk about some variations of this recipe to meet different preferences and needs. If you're not a fan of chayote flavor, there's a special tip: replace half the chayote with cucumber. It's also rich in silica, which works together with vitamin C to strengthen tissues. Cucumber has a milder and more refreshing flavor, which can make the juice more pleasant for some palates. Another option is to add a small piece of ginger, approximately thumb-sized. Ginger not only masks the chayote flavor, but also enhances the recipe's anti-inflammatory effects. It's like adding a turbo to the juice's engine. For those who want to focus more on skin and less on joints, you can add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. It enhances the absorption of fat-soluble nutrients and adds essential fatty acids that improve the skin's protective barrier. It's also possible to include half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with powerful antioxidant effects that protects skin cells from free radical damage. It's like adding a protective shield for the skin. If the main goal is to improve joint health, try adding 1 dessert spoon of previously hydrated chia seeds. Chia is rich in omega-3, which has natural anti-inflammatory effects and perfectly complements the other ingredients. Another powerful variation is to replace honey with 1 teaspoon of propolis drops. Propolis has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that can enhance joint benefits. It's like adding an extra layer of protection for the joints. This recipe is naturally low in sugars, especially if you don't add honey. But for those with diabetes who want to be extra careful, use less ripe pineapple, which contains less natural sugar. It's also possible to add a pinch of cinnamon powder, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and adds a pleasant flavor. Cinnamon works in synergy with the other ingredients, improving insulin sensitivity. Remember that side effect I mentioned at the beginning? It's about sleep. What I discovered, and what several participants in my test group confirmed, is that this juice significantly improves sleep quality. The glycine present in gelatin has a natural calming effect on the nervous system, helping you sleep more deeply. It's like getting an unexpected bonus. Thank you for watching. Remember, taking care of your health naturally isn't just possible. It's more effective and accessible than most people imagine. You deserve to live without pain and with vitality, regardless of your age.